I think technology would greatly change with ML/AI, machine learning, generative AI coming to force, and this will really leapfrog the entire change in the way technology has evolved. Also, for business, it would mean building and enabling a lot of scale in growing business faster. Cloud AI would typically be very, very dominant in terms of not only identifying issues faster, resolving them, but also helping business accelerate and getting close to customers, more closer than before. ESG, that's called, in terms of sustenance, is extremely critical, because as we invest more on compute power, it is very important from being responsible in terms of ensuring that we don't burn more carbon in the environment. And that's actually a duty and a responsibility for every organization to focus at, because at any cost, growth should not come creating more challenges to the environment around us. ML/AI was typically more internal to every organization in terms of enabling them to automate and take decisions. GenAI basically bridges that gap and creates more customer experience and makes it more easily accessible to end users. GenAI per se would typically revolutionize the whole way of working, will also have an impact on the organization structures and work culture. And that is really going to impact us in the next coming years. GenAI per se would lead to a lot of opportunities for business and for people, but it will also have a lot of risk in terms of security and others. So it's important to focus at that part as well. Digital first would be the new mantra moving forward. It won't be more of automation, because digital first, mobile first would be the typical way the business would typically look at. And technology will be having a very critical seat in all operations, business, regulatory boards as well. So it won't be called as digital transformation henceforth. It was called transformation because people moved from something to something digital. We'll see digital born processes and organizations henceforth. I think it was a big surprise to see how Control-S is basically steering ahead and actually amalgamating not only core technology or data center, but also GenAI, artificial intelligence, security into one single fold, which is extremely critical, because in isolation, you have a very limited ways to grow. But when you have all these three critical components, putting data governance, putting ML/AI, GenAI, actually provides a Control as a very compelling leadership proposition moving forward.